It is incredibly heartwarming, a bit overwhelming, and definitely surreal to be standing in this moment today. And too often we notice a moment after the moment, and I promised myself today that I would try to appreciate the moment in the moment. This moment cannot be replicated, and as we gather here to celebrate the history of Oak Knoll and the future of Oak Knoll, I hope we can cherish that realization that we are all sharing in this moment together, and how thankful I am to be here with all of you. The founder of Holy Child Schools, Cornelia Connolly, once said, "Let us cherish and turn to good account the present time." And she is so right. We need to recognize the moment we have here, cherish it, and do good while we have the chance.
You are here today through a unique calling and purpose at this time in your life and in the life of the school. You do it not on your own, but with the grace of God and the support of this community here. But more than a name and a history, Oak Knoll School shares with all Holy Child Schools a common mission, a common unique philosophy of education, and an uncommon Holy Child spirit that has been strong enough to reach across oceans, continents, and 176 years